Hi everyone, this is Maria from Vancouver, Canada, and today I'm going to talk about lash extensions, those individual lash extensions. As you know, I've been in this industry for a long time and I used to do lash extensions in the 80s. Yes, the product has changed, the glues are better, the lashes are better, but the procedure is the same. So I'm going to do this video in 3 segments, the pros, what you need to be aware, and some of the cons. And then from there, you decide if lash extensions are for you. So some of the pros is that you're gonna look amazing. Yes, if you find an amazing technician and she knows what she's doing, your lashes are going to be beautiful and you're going to be confident because people are going to give you compliments and you're going to feel like, oh, on top of the world. And also the amount of time to apply your makeup is cut in half. You don't have to put mascara on, you don't have to put the liner, maybe just a little bit lipstick, blush, and away you go. So you look always good. You wake up looking great. So how good is that? So some of the things you need to be aware of, when you see some very nice people that have beautiful lashes, ask them where they got it done. So you get a referral. Then go and meet these people. These technicians. Look at their sanitation. That's so important. How sanitary are they? Are they wearing gloves? Is everything disinfected with alcohol? What are their sanitation procedures? Those are all the things that you need to know before you have somebody touching your eyes. Okay? Another thing that they need to do that's very essential, that they must do an allergy test. Basically, some people are allergic to glue, and so what they need to do is 2 different types of glue. Apply an eyelash on one side, and with the other glue, the eyelash on the other side, and then you go home for 24 hours. If you don't get any reactions, voila, you're ready to go. You can get your lashes. Some of the things that you need to be aware of now is that first of all, there's some maintenance. Okay, so not only that you need to go get it done and you need to get refills, but there's also maintenance at home, that you keep your area nice and clean, no oils around the eyes, and you wash your eyelashes and you brush your eyelashes. The technicians should give you a little spool so that you can brush your lashes so they keep them nice and flared. You wash your lashes with a baby shampoo so they keep always clean. If you don't, the bed has mites, okay? And the mites are attracted to the glue. So guess what you're gonna have? Mites going around your eyes and decomposing the glue, and then the lashes fall off. So the maintenance are very, very, very important. So being hygienic, your technician is hygienic because you're dealing around the eyes. If that doesn't happen, you might get styes, which are pimples in the eyes, and pink eye, okay? And those are the things you do not want to do. So trust that your technicians will teach you and you will know exactly what to do. Okay, now let me go into the cons. One of the biggest cons that I have is the upkeep. So not only that it's going to cost the initial cost approximately, depending where you go, between $120 to $300. That's a big average. And you say, wow, what a big average. It all depends the experience of the technician and where you're located. So be very careful that where you go is that you're not only looking at the dollar sign, that you're also looking at the reputation and the trust of that technician. So the fill, when you go for a fill, that you need to go every 2 to 3 weeks, the fill is also quite expensive. It varies between $80 to $150. Okay, so you will have to have a budget to know that every 2 to 3 weeks you will need to pay out to have this maintenance, and that is a major cost. So if you have that budget and you know that you are very happy getting the lashes and you found an amazing technician, go ahead and do it. Okay, so now let's look at other things. So not only the cost, also the time. When you're getting your first initial application, it will take you about between an hour and a half to 2 hours. Okay, and every 2 to 3 weeks, 1 hour. So you will need to see, do I have the money and do I have the time to do this? Another thing, if you're a very active type of person, that you're doing a lot of sports and whatever, sweating, this type of treatment is not feasible for you, because the oils and the sweat will decompose the glue. So your eyelashes will not last as long. You cannot apply mascara. You cannot put oils around your eyes, because all these things will decompose the glue, and then the lashes will fall off. Cannot pull. Please don't pull, because if you pull, then you will pull also your own eyelashes, and that will cause not a very nice sight. So please be very careful. If the technician have put the lashes too close to your skin, it will cause irritation. So that is another thing that you have to be really, really aware. Okay, now this is another thing that I find a really big con for me, is that you cannot rub your eyes. If you rub your eyes, the lashes will get crisscrossed and they will not look nice. So you cannot rub, and that's one of the things I love to do at nighttime, when I can wash off my mascara or my makeup, that I can give a nice little rub. Oh, that feels so good. Now, you can't do that when you have the lashes. Also, as you get older, 25 and up, you must have a good night cream to maintain your skin, and also a very good eye cream. Eye creams are oil-based. You cannot use as you get older. So that's something that you need to know, that as you get older, you have to apply good eye creams, good night creams, and that is not a no-no when you have the false eyelashes. So you might say, okay, Maria, oh, another thing. You cannot sleep on your side, and you cannot sleep on your face. You can only sleep back. Guess why? It's because if you sleep on your side, you will bend your eyelash. If you sleep forward, same thing. So you will have to learn and get into a habit to sleep backwards. And some people cannot do that. So be really, really aware. Okay, so cost. Products, you cannot use certain products. You cannot apply mascara. Oh, very hard to apply liners, because really close to the lashes, you cannot apply liners. Really difficult. You can, but it's really, really difficult. So you may say, Maria, so what do you do? Two things. You can buy a very, very expensive mascara. Not that expensive, but usually, and this one here is a Drama one. Okay, the Drama one has little fibers that when you apply, extends your eyelashes. They look good. This is what I have right now. Okay, hopefully you can see. Okay, for daytime, it's perfect. This mascara, the Drama, it's about between 25 and 35, depending on the quality. It lasts you about 2 months. At nighttime, you can wash the makeup off, rub it, it feels so good, and put your eye cream. If I want something a little bit more dramatic, go to a really good makeup store. There's quite a few of them, and buy yourself a strip lash. It will take a little bit of practice to apply it, but guess what? These ones here, I already used them about 3 times. They're still good. At nighttime, when you take them off, clean them, remove the glue, put them back into the case, and it's fantastic, and you reuse them. Good mascara, good lashes, and away you go. If this gave you value, give me thumbs up. I promise you I will reply to you, and I would love to hear from you soon. And follow your passion and live your dream. Sign out.